Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Problem is, this thing was a total gap and trap. What do I mean by gap and trap? Well, if you're new to charts, real quick. So on Monday, the price closed right there, and then the price opened up right here. So small gap, but the problem is the gap kind of brought in a lot of people, and then the things where things got really cruel is after that little gap brought in people, this first 30 minutes brought in so many more people. Lots and lots of people, and then this is where things get nasty because the price got up to that point. Some poor souls were buying right there, and then from that point, it was all selling pressure the rest of the day to not only go back to where it all began, because again, it all began, as a reference point, I'll put that green line here. Everything began at that green line, but you can see the price actually closed down here. So that's where it all started, and this is where it closed. So all in all, a total gap and trap. Not just becomes a question of, is this gap and trap going to get that much worse? And definitely the main level that must hold going forward is going to be 1325. And I call that a must hold level. And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to happen, but just to explain things better is if the price were to come down to 1325 and then just continue on down, I mean, at that point, what would you have? You would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range where it already was. Or in other words, you would have had a huge, beautiful move to the upside, then go right back to where it was, which is basically a little miniature pump and dump in and of itself. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to actually happen, but that is why 1325 is certainly a very important level to watch going forward. In the event there is any sort of bounce back to the upside, key area of resistance to watch now is going to be that pink line there. The 200 period moving average currently valued at 1380. But yeah, right now, a very disappointing day. Chart's looking pretty shaky, but we'll have to see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.